Do you wish to know how much cake batter per cupcake you need whenever baking flavorful, irresistible, and adorable cupcakes at home? It can be difficult to determine how much cake batter is needed for cupcakes. How much cake batter per cupcake? When baking with a standard muffin pan, ensure to have 1/3 to 1/4 of the cake batter so that you can make 2 dozen cupcakes. Moreover, you should have 1 heaping tablespoon of cake batter for a mini muffin pan to make 5 dozen cupcakes. And for a jumbo muffin pan, you should have about 2/3 to a half cup of cake batter to create 1 dozen cupcakes. Remember that you should utilize glass measuring cups for wet ingredients, because you have to pour to the right level required. On the other hand, spoon into nesting measuring cups for dry ingredients. Moreover, ensure to utilize a cookie scoop or medium ice cream scoop to spoon batter into the cups. With that, utilize 2 spoons to scoop it into the cups if the cake batter is thick. Additionally, you can use a big glass measuring cup if the cake batter is thin. For this reason, you will find the spout on the measuring cup more convenient to fill cups. Things to consider when filling cupcake liners. Refrain from putting too much cake batter, because it will indeed overflow cups as they bake. Make sure to fill cupcake liners with exactly 2/3 to 3/4 of the way full, or 1/4 cup batter for a standard 2.5-inch cupcakes. Furthermore, you can use a heavy resealable plastic bag with cake batter to fill cupcakes. Because of this, make sure to cut a small hole in one corner. Then, squeeze the bag carefully into the cups to fill. Over the hole in the bag, you can place your finger when you move from the next cup to another. How to frost cupcakes. Plastic Ziploc bag. The biggest advantage of utilizing a plastic Ziploc bag is that it is available, convenient, and inexpensive. Likewise, it is quick and easy to use. Because of that, you do not need to buy another bag or piping tips since it is all in one. However, you will find it difficult to achieve a perfect circle in designs, and it is messy to use. Piping tips. First and foremost, using piping tips will save you plenty of unnecessary mess in the kitchen. Likewise, it will let you achieve a sharp and smooth finish to the frosting. In addition to that, it comes in different designs and shapes. You do not have to take that long when frosting cupcakes with piping tips, because it is easy to control. Do not overmix the cake batter for a cupcake. Do not overmix the cake batter, especially for cupcakes. As a consequence of overmixing, it will become tough textured, and you also risk overdeveloping the gluten. As a result, it will appear as dense textured and squat looking as it can be. That is why make sure to mix till there are no more pockets of flour, and that all of the ingredients are well incorporated into the cake batter. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.